This is a tutorial on how to use a Dyna disc. This is a fantastic piece of equipment that is especially useful for all you virtual clients out there. So one of the main ways I use it, especially for virtual clients, is I use it from a seated position. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of those exercises here shortly. Now this Dyna disc is inflatable, so it comes with a pump, and the more you inflate the Dyna disc, the more challenging these seated exercises are going to be. So right now, as you can see, I'm just sitting in a regular chair, so that's really not doing much to challenge my deep core muscles. However, if I sit on the Dyna disc, now I've created an unstable environment, which is a good thing, because if I'm unstable like this, I'm forced to engage my deep core muscles. My brain is forced to communicate with my muscles at a higher level, and those make a big difference when it comes to balance. It just makes a big difference in terms of just dealing with the external environment that we all have to deal with in everyday life at a more efficient level. So here's a couple ways in which I could use the Dyna disc. So you can see I'm seated on the Dyna disc, and I could do my hands on the hips. I could do an alternating leg extension like this, where I'm alternating my legs. I could make it more challenging by doing a one-leg version of that where the same leg repeats. I could put my hands up here, which forces my core muscles to work even harder. So those are all ways in which I can do this here. I could even add a dumbbell to it. If you don't have a dumbbell, then you could use a water bottle or a can of green beans, whatever you have. And you could raise up your right foot. My right foot's raised up an inch off the ground. And then with the left arm, I could do a curl like this. Or, for that matter, I could do the leg extension that I demonstrated a moment ago and the curl together. So this is even more challenging. So this just scratches the surface on the many different ways in which I could use the Dyna disc, and it demonstrates how useful and beneficial the Dyna disc is. So I encourage everybody to pick one of these up. In the comments section, you'll find a link which directs you to a website where you can get one of these. So yeah, definitely pick one of these up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.